Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple and today's recipe is oven grilled chicken with potato and vegetables. You are going to love this. Make sure you watch from the start till the end. So this is 1100 kilogram of chicken thighs that I'm going to use. I've already washed it. I'm going to mix all my spices together so that it will have that good taste. In here is my cayenne pepper that I added, curry powder, paprika, oregano, salt, garlic powder, and some olive oil. The reason I added olive oil is because it makes all the ingredients to like go in very well. Okay, so that's why I decided to use that. I also added garlic, yes, and now I'm going to turn it, like mix everything together, and I'm going to let it marinate for 3 hours. I'm going to cover it, and guys, as you can see, after 3 hours the chicken has marinated. So now I'm going to start frying. I'm going to put everything in. I used 2 pots for frying because this frying pan was a little small, like all the chicken could not go in. So I'm going to fry, and after frying I'm going to remove it and then add my potatoes. So for my potato, I added paprika powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. I'm going to mix thoroughly, and after doing that, I'm going to start frying. I'm not going to deep fry it, okay? I'm just going to put it on the fire and let it fry for a little while so that when I put it later on in the oven, it will be like really soft, like how I want it to be. Okay, so that's the reason for that. And also I did the same thing with my vegetables as well. I added paprika powder, cayenne pepper, and salt. So I'm going to mix thoroughly, like mix together. Yes, after turning, I decided to add more paprika powder and also my fresh garlic. So now I'm going to remove my potatoes. It is ready like I want it. So this is 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and honey. I added water for mixing. I'm going to first add my vegetables and then pour in my ketchup, like the mixture, and then I'm going to add the potato. And after adding the potato, I'm going to put the vegetables on later, and then lastly the chicken. So I'm going to also pour in the remaining sauce. So this is going to go in the oven for 1 hour on 200 degrees Celsius. Please also make sure to watch it when it's on the oven so that it won't burn. You can also like flip it outside so that everything will just balance. So that's it, guys. After 1 hour, that's how my chicken with potato and vegetables looks like. Thank you so much for watching from the start to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple, and see you in my next video. Bye.